In my search for a new key, I reached out to Begali by email and asked about the availability of the Spark and the HST Mark III. I received a response from Bruna in less than 24 hours. She informed me that both keys were in stock and could be shipped within a week of my order. I immediately placed my order, and true to her word, she sent me an email 1 week later letting me know that my keys were on their way. Once shipped, my package took only 4 days, all the way from Chalatica, Italy. So here we have it, the Spark box on the left and the HST box on the right. The images displayed on the boxes are not the actual pictures of the Spark and HST. They represent other keys in the Begali line. You'll get to see what the Spark and HST actually look like as I proceed to unbox the Spark in this video, and a subsequent video will follow to showcase the unboxing of the HST. Let's open this baby up. Right away, we're greeted with a nicely designed Begali coaster. A blank QSL card, and the current brochure for the Begali Morse key line of products. Here's another coaster, a bigger one. A cleaning cloth and a 0.03 millimeter feeler gauge for adjustments and cleaning the contacts are included. Let's finish the unwrapping. These keys are packed with care, with foam inserts to make sure they don't get damaged in transit. Presenting the Spark. This compact beauty boasts a distinctive charcoal black phosphatized finish, making each base a one-of-a-kind with individual patterns. You can see it closely here. It's uniquely rough and rugged. The gold-plated components and low-slung Navy-style knob offers a comfortable experience without straining the arm, even during fast-paced operations. This is a precision instrument that will double as a visually striking addition to my setup. I went ahead and wired it with a short cable female jack end for easy storage without the dangling long wires. The Spark weighs in on my scale at 1.54 kilograms or 3.4 pounds. You'll be seeing a lot more of the spark in future videos. Right now, let's take it for a short spin. First, I'll operate the spark with the tone off so you can hear the sound of the smooth lever action alone. I think even without the tone, some of you experienced Morse code CW operators probably picked up on the familiar rhythm of an old practice and warm-up exercise. Let's add the tone. Ben's Best Bent Wire is an old warm-up exercise with a great rhythm. That's it for now. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I've included a link to the Begali website in the info section below. This is my first YouTube video episode, so it's a special one for me, and I thank you for joining me on the inauguration of my channel. Come to think of it, it all started with a spark.